And then he is bumped up.
Here na that one of the offensive rebounders dito sa ating liga. So, whenever shots comes up, kailangan meron sa mga kabakwas dito ko na.
So it's a 6-0 run for Arellano. Good start for the Chiefs here in this period.
And those 7 points are coming off turnovers and hustle points. Yun yung maganda sa Arellano eh. I think na-cover ng maayos ang San Sebastian yung sets nila. That's why they're just defending and just hustling. Kaya sila nakakuha ng puntos.
Free away.
Super Team nila. Mapupuno ng awesomeness ang mga Sabado ng umaga. Sigurado magiging masaya ito.
Parating, kailangan ko lang ng Super Spring!
Samahan sila sa kanilang misyong protektahan ang planeta. Meet your hero, Saturdays at 6 a.m. Dito lang sa Heart of Asia.
Once again, we are live on Heart of Asia and all of our social media platforms. And for those exclusive interviews and photos, follow GMA Sports PH. Huge shout out sa natin mga kapuso at kabubuan This is San Sebastian versus Arellano.
Yay! Let's go! I'm done! Yummy!
You can really score a lot. Hindi sila pwede bigyan ng multiple chances to do that.
With 16 points now.
Lala! It's good.
And that's another spot for
Like it?
Arellano. And the evidence is part of the game where they really yung on ball eh. So, I think hindi talaga pwede mag-goal mo ng San Sebastian. Kailangan umikot yung bola eh.
Thank you.